The COVID-19 vaccines led to serious side effects. Senator Ron Johnson hosting a few of them in Milwaukee today.
Governor Tony Evers says the senator is being reckless and irresponsible. Our political reporter Jason Calvi first broke the story last week and tells us what was said today. Jason?
Well, Senator Johnson says the vast majority of COVID-19 vaccinations have been administered safely, but he says he wants to shine a light on the small number of people who are raising some serious issues with potential side effects. Now, the city's health commissioner here says the senator is raising misleading concerns about a vaccine she says is safe in saving lives.
At 12 years old, Maddie DeGaray volunteered for the Pfizer vaccine trial.
Why is she not back to normal? She was totally fine before this. She did the right thing trying to help everybody else, and they're not helping her.
The Cincinnati family joined Senator Ron Johnson for people sharing their stories after getting a COVID-19 vaccine.
I have tremors in my hands, which has made me leery if I'll ever be able to practice as a hygienist again.
We are the collateral damage of the pandemic.
Former Packers player Ken Ruckers urged the senator to host the event. His wife Cheryl still reports muscle pain and numbness.
I think we need to see this as a responsibility and opportunity to take care of people that have, been part of the collective solution.
Senator Johnson says his goal is to give these people a platform so the health community will acknowledge and get to the root cause to find a cure for these problems and stop it from happening to others.
This is more misinformation that's going to put people at risk.
AP analysis of government data says about 150 of the 18,000 COVID-19 deaths in May were of fully vaccinated people, which would mean 99% of deaths are among unvaccinated.
He's glorifying the idea that you can be harmed from something when statistically the virus is more harmful.
What do you make of the critics saying you're putting lives in jeopardy here? People are going to hear this and they're going to not want to get the shot.
First of all, I'm never afraid of conveying the truth, providing people information. I think the American public should be able to have informed consent when deciding whether or not to take an experimental vaccine one way or the other.
Now, the VAERS system, this is a handout that the senator passed out to journalists today. It's from the Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System. It lists 5,000 COVID vaccine deaths. Now, they're unverified reports from doctors and the public. The CDC says the info may be incomplete, inaccurate, coincidental, or unverifiable. And if you look at the numbers of people who report potential death because of this vaccine, it is much deadlier, actually, to get the COVID-19 virus, according to data from the CDC as well as Johns Hopkins University. Reporting live in Milwaukee, Jason Calvi, FOX 6 News.
All right, Jason, thank you. And we have streamed all of Senator Ron Johnson's news conference with the families on our website, fox6now.com, and your FOX 6 News app. You will find the video in a post on our homepage.